Ever dreamt of making $100,000 from a single YouTube video? Think about your 9-to-5 job. Imagine spending just 1 to 2 hours a day creating simple, faceless music videos. Once monetized, these videos become digital assets with unlimited earning potential. And it's asset that can make you a millionaire, not a 9-to-5 job. One channel turned $250 into over $377,000 in a year with over 7.8 million views. How does this work, and can beginners replicate this success? Today, I'll show you how to make $100,000 from a single faceless YouTube video using 2 simple AI tools. Hey guys, before we move ahead with the video, let me introduce you to the onemaker.io, a must-have tool for creating music videos in seconds. Lo-fi, music visualizers, relaxation, EDM, lyrics video all in your browser. With a growing library of more than 5,000 artwork, you can also request new content. How to make faceless YouTube video. When people need answers, they turn to Google, the #1 search engine. The second most used search engine, YouTube. People use YouTube not just for information, but also for entertainment. Just like binge-watching Netflix, people binge-watch YouTube. The traffic is already there on YouTube. We just need to know the right way to use this platform and make our channel successful. So, what's the roadmap to success? Well, there are majorly 3 steps to that. Step 1, finding profitable trending niches. Step 2, automate faceless video creation. Step 3, strategies to upload the video. So now let's dive in for the step-by-step process of YouTube automation. Step 1, finding profitable trending niches. Faceless music videos such as lo-fi, relaxation, meditation, cafe music, or music to study can attract more watch hours than other videos as people listen to them in the background. So you can just use any of the keywords for faceless music channels like chill music, relaxation music, meditation, lo-fi, study music, cafe music, sleep music, etc. I am searching for chill, relaxing music. Here this channel has over 2.6 million subscribers. It has earned nearly 120.7K in the last 12 months. If we check the trending videos, it shows work music, night music, chill, etc. Top keywords are meditation, relax music, therapy, and music for stress relief. All are the music which people listen to while these videos are played in the background. You can choose any of these categories. Step 2. Automate faceless video creation. To automate faceless video creation, we need 2 things. One is music and another video. So first, we'll generate music with AI. Leverage AI to generate music. There are a variety of AI tools available for music composition, including well-established ones like Moobert, AIVA, Boomy.com, and Splash Pro. Each tool has its unique strengths. In my previous videos, I demonstrated how to use Moobert and Boomy. Now, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of generating music using Loudly AI. Generate music with Loudly. First, enter the website and sign up with your Google account. On the homepage, it has 3 options to generate music. 1. Generate music with AI. 2. Text-to-music generation. 3. Royalty-free music templates, where you can customize your music. Generate music with AI. To generate music with AI, click here on Generate Music. Now on this page, first choose the genre by clicking on the arrow. I am choosing Lo-Fi and Neo-Soul. Set the duration by clicking here. If you are using a free plan, then you will get only 30 seconds duration. You can upgrade for a longer duration, and also if you want to monetize your video. Now you can see this Instruments tab, where you can add or remove instruments of your choice by clicking these plus-minus buttons. If you want to blend the genre you have chosen with other genres, you can click here and choose. You can set the energy of your music as per your requirements. I will set it low. Choosing this structure of the waveform is completely optional, so I am skipping this. You can set the tempo and key if you have slight knowledge of music. Otherwise, after a few attempts, you will know what suits you best. Then click on Generate, so it has generated 3 tracks. Here is the summary, or you can say formula of your music customization, which you can share and save for later use by clicking here, if your music has come out well. And you can apply this formula later also to produce similar music. Let's try these tracks. like any of these tracks, you can further edit this by clicking here on this studio button. I like this music and I want some more remixing. So I will enter the studio by clicking here. Now I'll add some radio noise, a little bit, not much. Let's see this destroy button. Oh! Little bit of this makes my lo-fi music better. Now, there is this heaven low button. I am bringing this to almost the center, and it's giving a nice ambience feel to my music. I am not touching these two options as I like my music like this. Further, if you want to change tempo, energy, or duration, you can change it from here, and then when you are done with all the customization, you can click on Download Track button. Remember, to monetize your video, you will have to upgrade the plan. However, with a free plan, they give a basic license for one social media channel. But let me tell you, I find Loudly quite reasonable in comparison to many other platforms. If you take a personal plan and pay annually, it will cost you less than $6 a month, in which you can create 300 songs per month, up to 3.5 minutes duration of each song, which seems fine. 500 downloads and 80 studio exports, it gives you a personal license, where you can also monetize all your channels. Also, if you want to distribute your music, you will have to pay just $2.99 extra with your current plan. Further, you can upgrade with a pro license or go for a custom license as per your requirements. Text-to-music generation. So Loudly has another option to generate and customize the music. It's text-to-music. On the homepage, simply go to text-to-music. Click on Generate. You can see a prompt box. You can give the prompt or simply write the kind of music you want. It will generate 3 tracks for you. And here on the editor page again, you can change the genre, tempo, energy, etc. and further twitch the music the same way on the studio page if you want. Except for giving the text prompt, everything is similar to the previous process. Royalty-free music templates. So in this section, Loudly provides a lot of music templates, which you can edit or customize further. Just choose a genre from here. It will give you a full list of related music templates. Here, whichever track you like, you can just click on that, go to the studio, and remix it further, as per your choice, and download your track. That's it. We have generated beautiful tracks using all 3 options. Loudly is kind of a one-stop shop if you want to generate music with AI. Using onemaker.io for automated video creation. onemaker.io is an online tool to create a variety of music videos right in your browser. To get started, simply sign up for free on onemaker.io and navigate to the desired video category. Choose a template from the library and click on it to enter the editor page. Here, you can customize the template to fit your theme, and you also have the option to upload your own artwork or choose from over 5,000 artworks available in the library. Animated artwork is on the top of the list, then you can see all the images. You can also preview these artwork by clicking here, but the best part is if you like any of these artwork which are not animated, you can just click here, and a request will be generated for an animated artwork. You can click on this arrow and filter down the artwork further with categories, themes, and different styles, which will definitely make your life easier. Also, you can click here to request new content. You can just describe here the kind of artwork you want. So if you have any reference artwork, you can attach the same, and you will get all the requested artwork within a week. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click here on this arrow for advanced settings. Upload your music, and if you want, you can adjust the color theme of the waveform. After finalizing the settings, click on the Export or Update button to create a video preview. If you want, you can just click Back to Edit. Else, just click here and create full HD video. You can then download your HD video from my videos and share on different social media. Step 3. Upload the video. Now when you have your video ready to be uploaded, remember simply uploading the video won't do any good. So there are a few key points to keep in mind. Use appropriate keywords. Utilize relevant keywords in the video title, description, and tags to enhance visibility and reach your target audience effectively. You can take the help of ChatGPT to generate description and keywords. Make eye-catching thumbnails. Create attractive thumbnails with captions to capture viewers' attention and maintain a consistent design for branding purposes. You can create the thumbnails easily using Canva in a few steps. Keep track of your target audience. Utilize YouTube analytics to understand your audience better. Plan video publishing schedule and optimize content for maximum impact. Create and schedule daily videos for 9 p.m. consistency. Make and schedule 30 videos to relax for a month and boost your channel. Aim for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for monetization. Since viewers will watch your videos before bed, achieving the watch time shouldn't be a problem. By considering these points, you can optimize your YouTube videos for better performance and audience engagement. That's it. We've learned how to make $100,000 from a single YouTube video using faceless music videos and AI tools like Loudly and onemaker.io. Focus on niche areas, automate video creation, optimize uploads, and engage your audience consistently. Smash the like button, subscribe for more, and join our community. Thank you for watching, and let's continue creating amazing content together. Keep dreaming big.